Hi, it's Leo here with a tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be doing a Mac tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to add the Windows pinging or like Windows snap sort of functionality to your Mac. Because if you own a Mac, you'll know that if you want to resize a window, you have to drag from the corner to make it the correct size. And this is just a bit time consuming, so I'm going to add this function to your Mac. So you see, look, I've got the clock window. I'm going to snap it to the corner like so. There you go, and I can go get the weather, snap that to the corner. All cool. Pretty simple tutorial. So yeah, so if you want this window snap feature, all you have to do is go to the link that I've supplied in the description. Yeah, you see I just snapped the window up at the top and it's made it bigger. And we're going to download this app called Rectangle for Mac. It works on Intel and Apple Silicon Mac. Just download it. I think there's a paid version, but there's also a free version which I'm using. Once you install it, I've already installed it on this computer, but if you want to install it, it'll add this kind of window in the top toolbar. And yeah, so it will give you some. So you can also use like shortcuts to kind of ping windows to certain locations on the screen, but I have no idea how you do that. Yeah, so once it's installed, just make sure that it opens up whenever you turn on your computer or Mac. And yeah, you'll be able to just ping kind of windows to the sides and then ping it to the top to make it sort of full screen like that, which is cool and useful. And is copyrighted by Windows, so you can't actually get it by default on your Mac. So yeah, hopefully this has been useful. Link to Rectangle, the app, will be in the description below. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like it. We're going to try and hit 10 likes and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see everyone in my next video.